Hey guys, welcome back to Delstack, and today I will be showing you how to scan with the Discord mobile app. So, in order for you to do this process, first things first is open up the Discord application into your device. Now, after this one, you can just simply go ahead and tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will be the U. And now over here, you can just simply go for the cogwheel or the settings on the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply go ahead and go for the account settings over here. And now here on the account settings, you should be able to see scan QR code at the very bottom and make sure to allow to take pictures or record video from the Discord app application. So tap on allow over here. And now after that, you can just simply go ahead and go to your computer and log in with the QR code right over here. You should be able to log in into your computer as you can see over here on my desktop, and this is a good way to quickly log in into your account using your scan QR code feature on the Discord. Pretty much if you follow the steps that I showed you, you should be able to use a quick login feature, which you can scan the QR code to quickly log in into your account without providing your password or username into another device or computer. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.